Hello students, welcome back. Let's go to type 5. The sum or difference of two cubes. In expansions, we have learnt that a plus b, the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. If you want the sum of two cubes, then you should transpose this to the other side. So what happens? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, the whole cube, minus, plus becomes minus when it goes to the other side, 3ab into a plus b. Now here a plus b is common. So take it out. What remains is here a plus b square. 3 are there, 1 has gone out, so 2 will remain. A plus b square minus 3ab. This a plus b has gone out. Now this is equal to what? A squared plus 2ab plus b square minus 3ab. Plus 2ab minus 3ab is equal to what? Minus ab. So a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b square. So this is the formula for a cube plus b cube. Similarly, for a minus b cube, the formula is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. If you want a cube minus b cube, minus 3ab into a minus b is transposed to the other side. So a minus b cube plus 3ab into a minus b. A minus b is common here. A minus b, a minus b. What is left inside is a minus b square plus 3ab. This is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b square, this plus 3ab. 3ab minus 2ab is equal to plus ab. So a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b square. Let us go to the example sum now. 10th example, first one. This is a cube plus cube root of 27 is equal to 3. We can make use of a cube plus b cube formula. A plus b. Here a plus 3b. This one square now, a square, minus 3ab plus this one square, 9b square. Here 2a is common. What is left? 8a cube plus 27, a has gone out. So this is what? 2a cube plus 3 cube, a cube plus b cube. 2a into a plus b, that is 2a plus 3 into a square, 4a squared, minus ab, minus 2a into 3, 6a, plus b square, 3 squared is 9. So 2a into 2a plus 3 into 4a squared minus 6a plus 9. Cube root of 125 is equal to 5. 5a cube plus 1 upon 2 cube. A cube plus b cube. A plus b, 5a plus half. A square, 25a square minus ab, 5a upon 2. 5a into half is equal to 5 upon 2 plus b square, 1 upon 4. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b square. This a plus b. Now a plus b is common. So a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared plus This a plus b has gone out, 1 in that place. This is 2a cube minus 3b cube. A cube minus b cube. A minus b. 2a minus 3b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. This one squared. 4a squared plus 2a into 3b. 6ab plus 3b squared. 9b squared. A is common here. So a raised to the power of 6 minus this is 64. A has gone out. So this is equal to what? This is 8 square. This is a cube square. A cube square minus 8 square. Difference of squares. 2a into a cube plus 8 into a cube minus 8. A cube plus 8 is equal to what? A cube plus b cube. This is 2 cube. So a plus b. B is 2 here into a squared minus ab plus b squared. A squared minus 2a plus 4. This is a cube minus b cube. A minus b. B is 2 here into a square plus ab, 2a plus b squared. B is 2 here, so 2 squared is equal to 4. So 2a into a plus 2 into a squared minus 2a plus 4 into a minus 2 into a squared plus 2a plus 4. Twelfth example, we have to show that 15 cube minus 8 cube is divisible by 7. So a cube minus b cube. 15 cube minus 8 cube is equal to a minus b. 15 minus 8 into a squared. 15 squared is equal to 225 plus ab. 8 into 15 is equal to what? 120 plus b squared. B squared is 8 square here. That is 64. 15 minus 8 is equal to what? 7 into, when we add this, we get 7 into 409. So this is divisible by 7. When you divide this by 7, 7 gets cut off. The answer is 409. Therefore, this is divisible by 7. Show that 15 cube plus 8 cube is divisible by 23. This is a cube plus b cube. So, a plus b, 15 plus 8 into a square, 225 minus ab, 15 into 8 is equal to 120 plus b square, 64. 15 plus 8 is equal to what? 23 into 225 minus 120 is equal to 105. 105 plus 64 is equal to 169. When we divide this by 23, 23 and 23 get cut off, 169 remains. So this is divisible by 23.